Hey everybody, Cabado Kuya here, standing out in front of Balaini Lizabel. We're about to have a little experiment. Yes, we are. Let me come over here and introduce you to my Apo. This is Jet. He and I are going to do an experiment. Have you ever done this before? It's not new. It's been done many times, but it is the explosive reaction when you put Mentos, show the Mentos, and you put Mentos inside of a Coca-Cola. All right, now, I did some research and I found out that it's not a physical, it's more of a physical reaction, not a chemical reaction. So when you drop the Mentos into the soda, the contents of the Mentos, it's got gum arabic and it's got gelatin in it. And when that goes into the Coca-Cola, it disrupts the water molecules in the soft drink, and it reduces the surface tension, and it allows the carbon dioxide bubbles to form and pop out and go all over the place. That's what they say. He's done it before at school. I've never done it before. I can't wait. Okay, hold on just a second. We will get this all prepared. All right, we're still in prep here. We're taking the Mentos one by one, and we're putting them on a stick here so we can drop them in all at the same time. And we think that 7 is the right number. A couple reasons. That half of the pack, and it's a prime number. And you know me, I love prime numbers. So that's what we're gonna do. How many we got so far? We got 6. This is number 7. And that leaves us a few that we can eat. Wow, I can't wait. We're going to reward ourselves with eating Mentos right after this is over. Okay, Jerome, thank you very much for putting all of those together. All right, Jet, go ahead and get that Coca-Cola open and put that right in the bucket. Now see, we're putting it in the bucket here so that we can collect it, because I think we're going to be a little bit thirsty, and we're going to want to have some Mentos flavored Coca-Cola as soon as we get this done. All right, are we ready? All right, on the counter, you should check it, make sure it fits. It fits, right? It's gonna fit? Okay, it's gonna fit. Here we go. We're gonna do it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! And there it goes! Woo! That was awesome! We had a huge geyser. It went inches and inches and inches up into the air. Wow, that was very cool. And look, well, we made a little bit of a mess. That's why we did it outside and not inside, because I would be in trouble. Look, the dog enjoyed it. He's laughing so hard he can't even contain himself. But we only lost a little bit of our Coke. It's still bubbling. Look at that. It's still having a chemical reaction. Drop another one in there. Let's see what happens. We're going to drop a couple more. We're going to save a couple because we're hungry. Whoa, there's another one. Well, it caused a little bit more bubbles. It didn't overflow. 1, 2, oh, there goes some more. I think we took all the carbon dioxide out already. I think it's pretty calm now. All right. I think that Coca-Cola says, show's over, folks. That's it. That's all there is. We're not going to bubble over anymore. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this. Bye.